Checking. Hello and welcome back to Alluring Audio. This is our 10th video. We're almost to our goal of 50 subscribers, so please keep watching, liking, and sharing these videos. So, if your kid is like me and has ADHD, there's several solutions you can use to try and fix that problem. You could use proper parenting. You could take them to see a psychiatrist. You could put them on medication, but so far the most tried and true method is to just give them a little piece of plastic to fiddle with. Now the nice thing about these is, besides providing focus, they also provide us with some succulent, soothing sounds. So let's get started with our first toy. The first toy, we have the Fidget Cube. And this one's great. There's just loads of sounds you can get. Like, just listen to all the sounds trapped in this tiny little box. So, the first sound we'll get is the sound of the button, just as we click and move it. So yeah, just listen to the clicking and moving of the button and the soft tone of my voice as it fidgets your worries away. Next, we'll move on to this little switch on the side. It's not a switch for lights. It's not a switch for the garbage disposal. It's a switch for your anxiety. It'll just switch it off. Doesn't matter if you switch it up or switch it down. It's gonna switch everything that's racing through your mind to a halt. Ooh, it's nice. Let's go with this little spinner here. This is probably the softest sound we'll get from the box. Just listen and relax. Yeah. And then we've got these 5 little buttons here too. Just click them. It's almost like a bad version of bubble wrap. And then we've got one side left. This is a very exciting side. It has 2 sounds. First, there's this little marble we can roll. And then the most fun one is these little gears. You can move them all at once or one at a time. Just forward and back. Just the little click, click, click of the gears. And the smooth rolling of the marble. That's nice. Our next toy is some plastic blocks on a string. This is useless. So, for our last toy here, we have a fidget spinner. I got a gold one to show my clout and status. You know, I never really got the appeal of these, but let's just go ahead and try it out. Wow, that was a zesty soundbite. This has been another Alluring Audio original. Good night and bless you all.